you have a very messy workspace area, well, if you have this kind of a messy workspace area, I have the perfect solution for this. This is the CondoMounts Laptop Wall Mount, and now you can have your laptop or even monitors mounted to the wall. I'm going to show you how to do this, and we are going to see how effective this product is. So everything is ready. Yeah, I got everything ready. I got it out of the box, and this is the main wall unit. So you got to remember that this laptop mount can be placed on wall, concrete wall, a wall with wood studs or drywall. So as you can see here, this is the instruction manual. All right. So it can be placed on wood stud, concrete or brick wall, and everything. The attachments, right? The attachments for concrete or brick wall is given. The attachment for wood studs are all given, hex keys, everything is given together with the product. I've shown you about this product before this. And the very first step, okay, I would advise you to first just fasten everything. Fasten everything. Alright? And just place where you want the product, the wall mount to be. So I prefer it to be at the side here. Okay? Another good thing about this product, the color, right? The color of this product. It's just black, it looks really good, right? So I want it to be at the side here, and just measure how your laptop, you want your laptop to be, so that you are comfortable using the laptop later, alright? So sometimes if you don't measure this, you place it too high up, and your laptop is going to go really high up. So make sure that you test first, and then you remove all these attachments. And then, as you can see here, there are two holes, real holes, and you just place where you want it to be, and then mark the holes. One top here and one down there. Then you're gonna start drilling. Alright, to drill, as the instructions has mentioned, you gotta use a 10mm drill bit, right? 10mm drill bit to mark the to drill the holes. Alright, so I'm gonna start drilling right now and show you how to do it. Alright. I said just now, everything is given together with the product. So now I take these wall anchors, place them into the hole that I've just made. There are two holes. Place this next. Take the washers, right? Place it through the given screws. These are special screws, given together with the product. Place them into this, and then I'm going to use a drill, all right? And then just screw them into it. You can see I have already placed the main unit on the wall. Next, what do? You take this one. Okay, there are two arms right here. So this is the outer arm and this is the inner arm. So you take this part of the arm and place it into the mount like that. Alright, so to make sure that this is tight, what you do is you tighten this screw right here. So just use a flat screwdriver and just tighten the screw in. Alright, there you go. Now it's tight. Then next step, you just place this part here, and then you are done placing the mount. I'm going to use a laptop mount. So how do you place this laptop mount onto the main unit? Alright, so this is the laptop mount actually, and then you have this. This is the part that you must place first. As you can see, there's this up sign. So you just place this in here, alright, and then take this screw right here, which is also given with the mount. Place it in here, alright, and as you can see, this one uses a hex key. All the hex keys are also given with the product, right? Right, so what do you do next? Okay, you just place, I've already placed the monitor mount right here. So there are 4 screws. Okay, place these screws, but don't place it tightly. Okay, the top one, don't place it tightly, alright? Did I ask you not to place the screws tightly, because we're going to just slip these screws behind through the hole. Alright, so you can see behind here, these screws are actually slip into the holes like this. And then you place the other 2 screws first. Your hand first, and there's one more right here. Okay, now you can place them tightly. And there you go. Now you have a wonderful laptop mount to be used at your workspace. As you can see, this laptop mount is really versatile. It can be moved 360 degrees. You can place your laptop up here. I'm going to show you how to place the laptop after this. Alright, see here, I have already placed the laptop, and look at this. Look at the motion, guys. You can turn your laptop, and now you have a better workspace.